Section 3, number 3, you're going to find the value of x and y. Make sure to tell which postulate or theorem you use. Let's zoom in here. So we have the angle of 67, and we're looking for angle x and angle y. Well, it looks like angle x and angle L here, they form a linear pair. Okay, so that means 67 plus x is equal to 180. So if we subtract 67 from both sides, we will get the value of x, which is 113. Okay, and I think we just used linear pair here. Okay, then we want to find what the angle y is. Well, the fact that we know x, we also know y, because angle x here and angle y are congruent because of alternate exterior angles. Okay, so if x is 113, y is also going to be 113 because of the alternate exterior angles. Okay, take a look. X is on the outside, y is on the outside, and it crosses through that transversal, making them alternate exterior. All right, let's look at B here. Okay, it shows here that y and 109 are vertical angles. So 109 is congruent to y, and that is through vertical angles. Okay, then we also know that 109 plus x is equal to 180, because if we take a look, they're on the same side and they're consecutive. So this is consecutive interior angles add up to 180. So if we subtract 109 from both sides, we get the value of x. So 180 subtract 109, giving us 71. Okay, we got y, 109 from vertical angles. We got x equals to 71 using consecutive interiors. All right, next here we have this 90 degree. So we have 90 plus this angle of x. They're both on the same side. Okay, so this adds up to 180, and this is because of consecutive interior. Subtract 90 from both sides, we get x is equal to 90 degrees. Then we know that x plus y is equal to 180. If you take a look right here, it forms a line, so we can say this is from linear pair. Okay, if x is 90, okay, we can substitute that in. Minus 90 from both sides just cancels, leaving you with a y equals to 90 degrees as well. So there you go. We were able to set up each equation using a postulate or theorem and be able to solve for x.